Hey everybody, welcome to the daily recap for January 30th, 2023. Let's talk about the day trading ideas that we went through today. Today, a little bit of a slower day, slow fade on the market. Not much that, was happening overall compared to Friday at least. But, not a bad day. So kind of started out the day. We did a little bit of Tesla on the long side. Ended up getting about a point on that idea. And then we ended up flipping it short actually for 2 points. So that was pretty solid. Literally out the gate long. 2 points on that idea. We did some EMPH and now intraday on this little dip, long ideas. Nice relative strength on that pretty much throughout the whole day. This EMPH for 4 points to the upside now in total was about 8 points off the lows. So that was a pretty nice one as well on that idea. And then last but not least, we did do a little bit of mRNA on that little dip this morning for about a 1 point. WISA was another good one. We ended up grabbing this one long out the gate this morning, having a stop at 940, basically held it the entire day. And then, at the end of the day, we got that really nice pop there. So got a little bit lucky with that one, 3 points and change on that, so can't complain. Other than that, on the equity side, we tried some W short. That one ended up not working, as well as some snow short, which we had to cut off flat. But other than that, it was a pretty solid day on the equity side. Nothing too major. Nothing too, huge moving, but, slow and steady. Base hits. What more can you ask for? SPX had a couple decent trades on this one today. TradeIdeas, 425, 420 puts. Ended up maxing out at the end of the day there for 5,000%. SPX 460, 470 calls this morning. Legged into as well for 1,200% on that idea. UPSD 21.5 calls, 107%. Zoom 80 calls this morning, 80 calls for 105%. Futu, I guess, is what you would call it. 55 calls for 67% on that idea. Roku, 60 calls, 38%. And there was a couple things that didn't work. We tried some SI. That one ended up failing. Amazon for about 12 cents. Citi for about 10 cents. That was a 54 cent contract, so not bad from a percentage standpoint. Tesla roll worked okay. It was about 50 cents to the upside. Trying to find some stuff that failed. Beyond did not work, 20 calls. Those were a failure. And I think that's pretty much it. We did have an SPX roll at the end of the day, which didn't work as well. We did have a couple rolls that did work, though. So all in all, not bad. Kind of a slower day. Tomorrow, guys, we do have FOMC coming on Wednesday. I think you can get more positioning before then. Of course, you have huge earnings this week as well. So I'm thinking that, we may get a little bit more of a pullback tomorrow, and then we're going to be setting up to the FOMC. I think market still looks fine, in my opinion. Everything is still intact from a EMA and trend standpoint. And yeah, we'll kind of just go from there. If you guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. We're streaming every single day, ideas all day long. And we have a lot of fun and chat. So come check us out, guys. SpartanTrading.com. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, you have a great rest of your day.